All right, let us quickly solve this problem to see what we are going to get for A and B, right? Now, solution, this is very, very simple. Now, I have that A squared minus B squared is equal to 49. Now, this is difference of two squares. So, it's simply as saying A plus B, okay, multiplied by A minus B, okay, is equal to what? 49. Now, the relationship between these two, do you know that A plus B is greater than or equal to B plus A minus B? Okay. So now, since we have the product of these two things, now we are going to say that let's consider some cases. Case one, case one is that we say that um, A plus B, okay, into A minus B is equal to what? 49. Okay, let me say 1 times 49. 1 times 49. Okay. Now, let us check this thing using this. We say that the first one is greater than or equal to the second one. Let's check if this is correct. The first one, is this thing greater than or equal to this? No. So this case one is gone. So let us check case two. Look at case two. For case two, we should say that A plus B must be greater than, is equal to what? Let me say 49.1. Let us swap it now. Times 1. Now, this is greater than or equal to this. Correct. This is greater than equal to or equal to this. Correct. You know that greater or means one of them will work. So 49 is greater than this, it works. But this one is not greater than 49. And 1 is not equal to 49, so it will not work. But look at this one. 49 is not equal to 1, but 49 is greater than 1. So this one will work. So if this one works, just say that A plus B, okay, now compare. A plus B should be equal to that 49, while A minus B, this one, should be equal to 1. This is your equation 1, equation 2. So if you solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously, if you subtract, this minus this is gone. I'll be having that this and this will give you 2B is equal to 48. So which now shows that B will now be equal to what? 48 divided by 2, which is what? 24. Okay. So the next case, case 3, there are 3 cases here. Case 3 now, we say that A plus B multiplied by A minus B will be equal to, I know that 7 times 7 will give us 49. Okay. If you check 49, look at 49. 49. The only factors of 49 is 7, 7, 7, 1, 1. And 49 itself. So the only factors of 49 is just 1, 49, and 7. So let us check this. Is this case, does this case work? Let's check. Is 7 equal to 7? Yes. And we say that this could be greater than or equal to this. So if it is that, we can now say that A plus B is equal to 7, equation 1, and then A minus B, sorry, let me use equation 3, then A minus B is equal to 7, equation 4. So if you solve this simultaneously, this and this is gone. I'm having that 2B is equal to 0. Then which means that B is equal to 0 divided by 2, which is 0, right? Now, if B is 0, can we get A? Oh, I did not even get A for this one. So to get A here, we'll say that my A automatically, this is from equation 1, A plus 24 is equal to 49. So my A for this particular one is 49 minus 24. So I'm having 25. So this is 25 for this one. So to get A here, we say that A plus 0 is equal to 7. So my A is equal to 7. Okay. So you can run a check to check if it is correct. Let's check. The equation say that A squared minus B squared must give us 49. So let's check this first one we got. We got that A here is 25. So 25 squared minus 24 squared. Will I have 49? 25 squared gave me 625. 625 minus 24 squared gave me 576. So if I minus the 625, so 625 minus 576. So I'm having 49. So you see, it's very correct. So let's run a check for the other one. In the other one, they gave us that A squared minus B squared must give us 49. So let us check. my a is 7, so 7 squared, sorry, 7 squared minus 0 squared, is it same as 49? Let us check. This is 49 minus 0, which is what? 49. So the answer there are correct. So the two answers we have are what? For a comma b. If I decide to put it in coordinate, I got 24 comma 25, or we got 0 comma what? 7. The 7 comma 0, sorry, 7 comma 0, 7 comma 0. So that is it. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share to your friends, and comment. Love you.